After filmmaker Ram Gopal Varma's sexist jibe at actress Sunny Leone, the actress now slams the filmmaker, saying that one must choose their words carefully. Let's remind you that a tweet posted by Ram Gopal Varma has created a furore. This he did on International Women's Day, where his racist rants against Michelle Obama and tweets on Lord Ganesha, following which he made a tweet saying all women in the world should give men as much happiness as Sunny Leone does. That has evoked strong reactions.
Hey everyone, I read all the news today and I believe that change only happens when we have one voice, so choose your words wisely.